Received this from a company called Viziuuy, and it is an all-in-one 2K wireless solar security camera. I'm very excited to be doing this because, as you know, technology has moved ahead. Old cameras I have were wired the old-fashioned way, and the quality wasn't too well, so if something did happen, it was really hard to make out what it was. Nowadays, with 2K, I am very excited to see this, and it seems like it's simple installation. Solar panels on top of the camera this time. Other cameras I've done before, review-wise, solar panel comes separate, so you need to run a wire, find out where you're gonna put it due to the sun, and this is pretty cool. So let's check out what's inside the box. Sticker. So let people know, don't mess with my house. Instructions. Nice padded protection here, so the camera stays all in one piece. Packaging is very nice. That's what I'm trying to say. Here it is. A little charger here, so I assume that I'm going to charge this first, then put it out so it has a good charge. I don't have to wait for the sun to charge it. Some little hardware. And that's about it, but check out the packaging. I mean, it fits perfectly in this foam. So if something got dropped on the shipment, I'm sure it'd still be okay. Oh, it's nice and small. And you put your SD card there. SD card goes right there. There's a reset button there, so when you're pairing it to your app phone, because you can control it with your app, you can also control it with Alexa. It's pretty simple here. Here's the camera. It has a little light, 4 lights actually that turn on. So it lights the place up at night if you need it. Solar panel right here. 4 screws. Adjustable. So mount this thing on a, I don't know, maybe on my wood house. Adjust it whatever way I want, and it appears that you can't control it, so it's a fixed shot. So I guess we're going to go ahead and find out more details about this. I'm going to go ahead and charge it now, slap an SD card in it, take it outside, find a spot, mount it. I'm not going to show you because it's pretty easy. You just boom, 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 4 screws, and we'll set the app up, which I will show you. Control it, and we will see the quality and how easy it is to do. Four screws, mount it right on this tree. I love it. Wireless. You can put it anywhere you want as long as your Wi-Fi could reach it. So I have it on this tree here because I have a long driveway, and a lot of times we'll park on the street because we have skinny little driveway, as you can see here. So it's just a pain in the butt to have to back cars up to let another car out since we have team drivers and stuff. And you know, people come hauling butt up the street. There's a curve here, it's a blind spot, but I feel like this was appropriate for the camera here. We've had, about 2 months ago, a FedEx driver backed into one of our cars, backing out of one of these houses here. He was cool and he put his information on the screen, but you know, doesn't hurt to have protection, right? And this camera by Viziuuy, sorry if I butchered it, it definitely helps out because having to run wires is a pain in the butt in the year 2024. Solar panel saves you electricity, and it's Cloud Edge you connect to. It's an app you do. There's my daughter right there, and it's really simple. So check it out right now on Cloud Edge. do some bush trimming just to make sure we get a better view. I'm liking it. Small, compact, efficient, not too noticeable, blends right in, solar panel, and easy to install. You can use it with Alexa and Google and the Cloud Edge app. Good stuff. Get yourself one today. Check the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.